Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by setting the right baseline. Charge to about 80% for routine rides because charging to 100% stresses cells. Once done, always use the scooter's original charger. Third-party fast chargers can overheat the pack. Make sure to park indoors at moderate temperature. Extreme heat or cold shortens lifespan. Also, plan trips so you avoid deep discharges below 20%. Shallow. Frequent top-ups are healthier for the battery chemistry and keep range consistent. You now refine how you ride. Switch to eco or lower power mode because the motor draws far less current and regenerates energy on some models. Once in motion, apply smooth acceleration and maintain steady speed. Stop-start riding and hard throttle spikes burn battery quickly. Make sure tires are inflated to the recommended PSI. Underinflation increases rolling resistance. Also, avoid carrying heavy loads or mounting accessories that add drag. Since extra weight and wind resistance, you finish by keeping the system healthy. Install firmware updates because manufacturers tweak battery management logic to improve efficiency. Once done, perform routine maintenance, tighten electrical connectors, adjust brakes so they don't rub, and replace worn tires. Small mechanical losses cost battery range. Make sure to store the scooter half-charged in moderate temps between uses. If range suddenly drops, try a diagnostic reset and inspect the battery and wiring. If problems persist, consult a certified technician to avoid unsafe.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.